off we go to the garden centre, Shincliffe Mill at Shincliffe. It's a garden nursery, so the rear, a lot of the plants they sell from seed. And we're going for some clover compost because I've run out. The last lot of compost I got was Mother's Earth, which is made by Clover. This roundabout. But I found some of my germination wasn't very good, so I thought I'd go for the Clover multi-purpose this time and see how it goes. So I'll see you when we get near the garden centre. We're not too far away now, but a mile and a half away. It's a very handy garden centre, this. It's a short drive from my home. If you remember, last autumn I did a video of this garden centre and it was pretty bare with it being autumn, and I said I would do a video in the spring to show you how good it actually is, this garden centre. Gets a good range of bedding plants and shrubs, so hopefully it's all filled up now. Something for you to look at. This village of Shincliffe is a lovely, lovely village. I love it driving down here. Now we should go round here and we're there. Not far now. It's like being in the middle of the countryside on our doorstep. Just along here. Nursery, it changed hands a couple of years ago, and it only used to open a couple of months of the year, the spring and the autumn, and I just showed bed and plants, nothing much else. But this guy's really expanded it. Right, here we go. Shincliffe Mill Garden Centre. Nice drive into here as well. Plenty of parking, but just get busy. I'm just going to park over here. There we go, there's the entrance to the nursery. We're going there through the shop into the garden centre itself, and I'll show you around. There we go, here's all the composts. Garden peat. And look for the clover just down the bottom. There it is, clover multi-purpose. Looks like a change of packaging, so we're going to get 10 bags of that. There it is, guys. Look how full that is. It was an empty yard last time we were here. Absolutely chock-a-block. Every pot and colour and shape and size you can imagine. Look at these big pots, lovely. down to the shrub area. See, the prices are very reasonable as well for good sized plants, really healthy plants. Then they sell all the fruit shrubs over here. The raspberries. That will come inside the greenhouse. Absolutely chock-a-block of colour and growth of these plants. Look at that lot. You could spend a fortune in here, but I want to come for some compost, promise. Then we're down to the basket plants. I need to get some basket plants, but I'll go to another garden centre for those. Good choice here though. All the Cephinias. Now we're down to all the tomato plants. Anybody who doesn't want to grow their own from seed, can get some good plants here. All the different varieties. Yes, so it's much fuller now, this garden centre, to the video I did a few months ago in the autumn. Every corner is packed with plants and pots. Ali, you'd love it here. You'd have no money left by the time you come out. We should buy a truckload of plants and pots, I'm sure. Beautiful. Right, let's go and get this compost. Right guys, there it is. The garden centre purchase. And back on the plot. Let's get them unloaded into the compost store. So let's get cracking. Right, I've cracked on with me second early potatoes. See, the first earlies, they're all poking their nose through the soil in the buckets. And then I just planted all these buckets here with second earlies. So I've got some shallots and some jazzy. I've never grown jazzy before. So the tunnel's looking very full now. The potting bench isn't going down much, but a few more weeks, hopefully it'll be empty. Get the last of what I've got outside, what space I've got left in the beds. So that's my morning done. So that's me done for the day, a bit later than I normally am. But hope you enjoy your little visit to the garden centre. I did the video of me putting potatoes in the buckets, because everyone does that, but they're all in. And I'll catch you on the next video, because it's starting to rain now, so get myself way home, get some lunch. Bye for now.